1911 back from paint. It's time to start reassembly. Alrighty, let's go ahead and drop our extractor into place. Now we'll go ahead and drop our firing pin and the spring into place. Okay, with your firing pin and your extractor in place, we're going to go ahead and put this little plate in there that backs the whole thing. Make sure the pieces don't come out, hold them in place. Alrighty, go ahead and insert your barrel into place. Before, of course, we can finish this, we have to go ahead and get our frame together. Now go ahead and slide your trigger into place. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our magazine release in. Goes. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and reinstall our sear, this piece. Okay. You just go up through the little hole right there. Now we're going to go ahead and put our pin through it, get it lined up, put the pin through. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our hammer in place. Put our spring for the safety and for the takedown pin in place. You need to insert it this direction first. You can see this pin's slightly different. Okay, now that you've got this in there, let's go ahead and put your pin in there. Put your safety on. Okay, now put your leaf spring in place. Okay, now we'll go ahead and insert our grip safety. Grip safety needs to go through this channel, or excuse me, this needs to go through your channel that's in the grip safety. Leaf spring's just going to keep popping out of place. We're going to go ahead and push our thumb safety down into place. You need to kind of compress the spring back here. I'm using a brass punch because they're softer than steel punches and less likely to scratch the finish. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and install this piece. Our, I don't know, the rear of the grip. It's also got a spring in it for your hammer spring. Okay, then just I'm going to tap that pin in there. Okay, then we'll go ahead and throw our grips back on here. since my grip screws are painted, I've put a few layers of tape on my screwdriver. That way hopefully it doesn't mess up our finish. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put in our recoil spring. Install my bushing. This is a muzzle brake type bushing, so your bushing may look different, I guess. Down over my spring. Okay. Then you need to line up for inside this hole, and you got to get everything lined up, and then put your pin through. Okay, now that that's lined up, we'll go ahead and rock the slide back and then get this in place. Alright, 1911 is back together. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lots more guns disassembly and reassembly videos to come, that's for sure. If any of you guys are interested in Cerakote, I'll put a link in the description. It could get you to our website. There'll probably be a few other links in the description as well. Maybe help you find more of our videos. Anything else. This particular firearm actually belongs to a ex-USA team Olympic shooter. I think he's really going to like this. He gave us a little bit of creative input. He just said he wanted a red, white, and blue USA, so here we go.